Okay, last category of tools here is professional. First is a super contrast. When you open it, you can change the contrast of your image with highlight, midtones, or shadows. It's very easy. First, highlight. It's affected the highlight of the scene. Increase the number of that. As you can see in the highlights, we have more contrast between the colors. And you can change the highlight of the highlight balance, more darker or brighter. Interesting. As you can see in the sky, we bring a lots of information and of course in reflection. This is on highlight. And as you can see, if I make it 0, it will be turned off because it's depend on this number. And with double click, you can bring it. The midtones or shadows between the darker place. Yeah, for example, here you can see we have more brighter and detail. You can make it a brighter or darker. Yeah, you can see control the super contrast with this. Come back. You can control the midtone, the bit area between the lighter and the darker place of the image, and you can change the balance between them. You can play with this slider and see the changes. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.